Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's budget has drawn mixed reactions. While many have given it thumbs up as a budget that will put India on the path of development, the opposition has criticised it, saying the targets are unachievable.
Arun Jaitley walking into Parliament with the famous brown briefcase in tow. With a majority government behind him, expectations from politicians and industry were mixed.
Expectations are very high internationally. Mr. Modi said a lot of wonderful things in his previous job and on the campaign trail, and since he's been there. But so far, he hasn't done very much. We want to see something real. We need to see a real reshaping and opening up of the Indian economy.
As Jaitley started out, the objective was clear: a pragmatic approach that would set India back on the growth track.
For the year 2015-16. Growth in 2015-16 is expected to be between 8 and 8.5%. Aiming for a double-digit rate seems feasible very soon.
A push from the government to fulfill its election promise on tackling black money.
The offence of concealment of income, of evasion of tax in relation to foreign asset will be made a predicate offence under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This provision would enable enforcement agencies to attach and confiscate unaccounted assets held abroad and launch prosecution against persons indulging in laundering of black money.
Some hope for corporates.
It is our endeavour in the last 9 months to foster a stable taxation policy, a non-adversarial tax administration. I therefore propose to reduce the rate of corporate tax for 30% to 25% over the next 4 years.
And some more cash into the hands of the middle class.
The limit of deduction on account of contribution to a pension fund and the new pension scheme is proposed to be increased from rupees 1 lakh to 1,50,000.
A budget that stayed clear of rank populism to keep an approach that would get growth on track and keep the India story alive. Bureau Report, Times Now.